Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Now, next one is increasing and decreasing function. In this increasing and decreasing function, maximum marks is 3 marks. Maximum marks is 3 marks. They will give in annual exam either 2 marks question or 3 marks question. Okay. First, we have to know the definition of increasing and decreasing function. See, consider a function y equal to f of x. Consider a function y equal to f of x. If x increases, please concentrate. If x increases, means if I take x is 1, 2, 3, then 1, y is equal to x square, 1 square, y equal to 2 square, 4, y equal to 3 square, 9. Okay. If x increases, y also increases. Just concentrate. If x increases, y also increases. Then such type of function we call it as increasing function. If x increases, y is also increases. If you want, you can do dy by dx. What will you get? It is positive. Correct. In this case, dy by dx is positive. Dy by dx is positive means dy by dx is greater than 0. Correct. And of course, you can see by seeing the angle, you can also say that here theta is less than 90 means it is less than 90 means what? It lies in which quadrant? First quadrant all are positive. Means if theta is acute, we can say that dy by dx is positive. Or else just remember that if it is a increasing function, please concentrate. If it is a increasing function, then we know that dy by dx is greater than 0 or positive. And how it exists, just now I explained. If I substitute x value, what will get? Y. And if x increases, y increases, then such type of function we call it as increasing function. Next, I will take another one. Y equal to minus 6. If I take x is 1, y is minus 1. If x is 2, y is minus 2. If x is 3, y is minus 3. Okay. Means if x increases, just concentrate here, x is increasing. X is increasing. But y, just concentrate, y decreasing. Okay. X increases, but y decreasing. Such type of function we call it as what? Decreasing function. If you substitute x increases, y decreases. We say that such function is decreasing function. And next, see, do the differentiation dy by dx. What will get? It is minus 1. Means naturally dy by dx is less than 0. Therefore, please remember that for decreasing function, always dy by dx is less than 0. By seeing this diagram, you can say that theta is obtuse. Means more than 90. Means what will get? It is decreasing function. Okay. Next. This. Here, the given function neither increases nor decreases. Just it is constant or it is parallel to which axis? X-axis. Means it is a constant. And we know that if I take y equal to 11, constant differentiation dy by dx, what will get? It is 0 only. Did you understand? Or by seeing the geometrical concept, if this is theta, 0. Naturally, this is also 0. And we know that tan theta will get tan 0. What will get? 0 only. Means slope is 0. Means dy by dx is 0. We can say that. If, remember that the curve neither increases nor decreases, then such curve, that what we call it as neither increases nor decreases, and based on that point exists, and that point we call it as critical point. Okay, what we can say that it is a critical point. Neither increases nor decreases. Y should be stationary. If Y is stationary, it is dy by x is 0. Okay, which one exists here? Critical point is exists. Okay, please remember that. Once again I will tell you, increasing function means dy by dx is greater than 0. Decreasing function means dy by dx is less than 0. Next, if it is a stationary or a critical point, then we say that it is a dy by dx equal to 0. Okay. By knowing this, now I will give example. Given example is, show that the function f of x is 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 is increasing when x is greater than 3 by 2. That means x is greater than 3 by 2. This is the given example. 2 marks question. What is mentioned? Show that the function f of x is 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 is which type of function? Increasing function. When it is increases, if x is more than 3 by 2. Okay, this is the given example. Just concentrate. I saw this example. See, f of x is 2x squared minus 6x plus 4. F of x nothing but y. Y equal to f of x. Do the differentiation. Differentiate y with respect to x. Why we are doing the differentiation? Because for increasing function or decreasing function, we have to calculate dy by dx and we have to verify for dy by dx greater than 0 or less than 0. Okay, dy by dx. 2 x square differentiation is 2x minus 6x differential is 1, constant is 0. We get 4x minus 6 is dy by. Okay, but already mentioned, given it is which type of function? Increasing. Given it is a increasing function. Therefore, we know that if it is increasing function, dy by dx is greater than 0. Okay. Given it is increasing function, therefore dy by dx is greater than 0. Dy by dx is greater than 0, nothing but 4x minus 6 greater than 0. 4x greater than 6. X greater than 6 by 4. 2 3s are 2 2s means x greater than 3 by 2. We prove this. But verify, is it holds good or not? We have to verify. X greater than 3 by 2. 3 by 2, we know that 1.5. More than means next point we can take 2. Correct? More than means we can take next point 2. And we have to verify is it positive or not. See, dy by dx should be, we need here positive. Substitute 4, x is 2, 4 into 2, what we get it is 8. Just verification I will do. How it is true? See, mentioned x is more than 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means what we assume here? X is 2. What is given dy by dx? Dy by dx is 4. X minus 6 we have to verify. 4. What is our x? 2. 4 into 2 minus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 greater than 0 because it is plus. Means if you want you can take 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever value it is a positive. Means we proved this is which type of function? Increasing function. I hope understand this. Next is next example is for what values of x